Elementary School. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Kurt B. Morales for the invaluable service and commitment as Master of Ceremonies during the coronation ceremonies of Mr. and Miss Foundation Day 2024. Given this 23rd day of February 2024 at San Fernando Elementary School, San Fernando, San Jose, Antique. Signed, Marie Chris M. Magbanma, Principal 1. Mrs. Cape. Elementary School, teaching staff, thank you so much, sir.
Anyway, thank you so much, people, beautiful people of San Fernando Elementary School, especially to those two teachers. Actually, I didn't know their names because they were not able to introduce themselves. But anyway, thank you so much for this opportunity and happy 72nd Foundation Day. At this very moment, thank you again.